You have been already seen the video related to Airtel Black. Lots of big YouTubers are promoting or basically giving information regarding Airtel Black and also saying that this plan might be good for you. So in this particular video, I am going to decode Airtel Black. In this video, I will explain how the Airtel Black works and is it really gonna be a profitable plan? Is it really gonna save your money if you buy this Airtel Black plan, or if you buy some separate prepaid or postpaid plan and broadband plan in separate way? So without further delay, let's get started. So if you don't know what is Airtel Black, then watch this video till the end. You will get all the information which will be unbiased and unpaid. So in this video I am making, it is totally unpaid and Airtel have not approached to me to make this video like other YouTubers are making. Basically they are all paid videos and they have been paid by Airtel to promote their product. That's okay, fine. So now let's talk about what is Airtel Black. So Airtel Black is basically a combo plan or combined plan in the range of postpaid. So if you use their DTH plan in separate way in your home, you use their SIM card, basically 4G network in your mobile, and as well as their fiber broadband with the landline, that is separate thing. So they have basically three product: DTH for TV, mobile for 4G SIM card, and broadband, their fiber broadband. So they have already these three things separate plan already available in postpaid. But then why they introduce Airtel Black? Because Airtel Black is a combined plan. So if you have a family members of 2 or 3 members, it will be benefited if you approach this plan. So it will get 2 or 3 SIM cards in a single plan or basically single ID, and you will also get the broadband and also get the DTH. So if you are at home, you can use TV with the DTH, you can work with broadband, and when you are outside of the home, you can use their 4G network via the 4G SIM card on Airtel postpaid plan. So that is the main thing or main theme of the Airtel Black. So now let's talk about what is going to be profit or not. So before going to straight into the Airtel Black, let me talk about some of the existing plan of Airtel postpaid. So here you can see around 400 rupees. Remember, all the plan I am going to talk about without GST. So you have to again 18% GST will be there. So if it is 399 plan, after GST it will be a 470. So basic 399 postpaid plan from Airtel is going to provide you a 50 GB of data with one postpaid SIM card and unlimited call and SMS. That's a simple plan. So in 30 days it is 50 GB. So you can calculate that it is less than 2 GB per day. But yes, you are gonna get whole 30 GB at the same time or in a single recharge. You do not have to wait every day 2 GB. But in accumulated, it is not going to be 60 GB as it is a 2 GB per plan. So if you are going to use prepaid, you are gonna get a profited. So if you are gonna use a prepaid plan, I don't think it will cost around 470 rupees including GST if you are gonna use for 1 month 2 GB per day. So yes, if you are use prepaid on this particular case, you are going to be profited. So next thing I'm going to talk about combo. Basically if you pay 999 or 1000 rupees in Airtel postpaid, you are gonna get 2 SIM card with 105 GB. So you can calculate as 50 GB per SIM each for 30 days. So it was 999 rupees for 3 people in the Airtel postpaid. Now let's shift to the broadband. So they are providing 200 Mbps broadband. So if you take 200 Mbps broadband, Airtel costs 999 rupees. That's mean again 1000 rupees. So it's gonna be 2000 rupees total. Yes, it is gonna be 2000 rupees total. If you gonna take 2 SIM card, either you have to take a single 500 rupees 2 times, or you have to pay 990 rupees for 2 SIM cards. But they will provide 3 SIM cards. So you are forced to take 3 SIM cards at 999 rupees. Still, if you are gonna use, like 2 SIM cards. So they are gonna give you the 150 GB in 999 postpaid plan of Airtel 4G, and again in 999 their broadband plan will give you 200 Mbps. So total cost is around 2000 rupees for 3 people here according to the existing plan, but according to the Airtel Black plan it will be around 1600 rupees. So you can see there is a 400 rupees savings, but I say that is not gonna be a 400 rupees savings, because in Airtel Black you will get 2 SIM cards, but in existing plan Airtel provide 3 SIM cards if you take separately. So yes, they are not going to give you anything for free or anything for profit. You are not gonna get anything in the name of offer or combo offer. Every service money is going to be taken by Airtel by somewhat. So that is the thing, that Airtel is not gonna give you anything for free. They're just doing it a brand promotion, or they're launching some different product to get attention in the market, as Vodafone and Idea did last year with the launching of new brand VI. They're doing promotion in TV, in Google AdSense, everywhere they're doing promotion. The same thing Airtel Black is doing. And next thing is that DTH. So if you do not use the broadband, or basically there is no broadband in your location, you can use DTH and mobile postpaid combo. So their postpaid or mobile combo is going to be around 1000 rupees. So that 1000 rupees, out of them again 2 SIM card will be there. So if you take separately 2 SIM cards or 3 SIM cards, it's gonna be 999 rupees. So you are basically going to get DTH for free. But wait, it is not free. They are going to give you 2 SIM cards and DTH plan. So 2 SIM cards, if you divide 1000 by 3, it will be 333 rupees. So you are gonna get 300 or 350 rupees DTH plan in Airtel for your TV. So that is everything. If the Airtel is going to take every service money from your pocket, they are not gonna give you anything new, anything free, anything reduced cost. So keep in mind that Airtel combo is not a new thing. It's Airtel Black, or is nothing new. Nothing is going to be save your money, and nothing you are going to lose money. So it's even Steven. Either you can approach separate plan from Airtel postpaid, DTH separate, mobile separate, or you are gonna take everything in a single postpaid plan. It is gonna be very much profited, like higher middle class family or rich families. They do not have time for doing this kind of things, so they are running business or jobs, and every day they are busy. So they take 1 SIM card and all their connection will be there, and they're using every day again and again. They do not have time to recharge again and again as a prepaid. They opt for postpaid to save their time. After the month the bill is generated, it will be automatic paid via the credit card or from the bank, whatever they set up. So it will be a smooth process. For that kind of people, you can absolutely go for it. But if you are not rich or higher middle class, I don't think you should ever take a postpaid plan. Go with the prepaid plan. Price will be less, and there will be lots of headache free. You do not have to worry about what is the next month cost, what it will be. Nothing. You just recharge. You know what is gonna be the allotted data. Just use it. That's it. So I hope this video is going to be very helpful if you are going to find the real aspect or real inside story of the Airtel Black. From now onwards, I will continue this series of decode. So decode series, I will pick up a product, basically a tech product, maybe a virtual product or maybe a physical product, and I will decode it. Basically I will expose the inside of it, whether it is gonna be really helpful or not. If you still continue watching this kind of decode series, let me know in the comment section. Till my next video, it's goodbye from here. Take care and stay subscribed to Som Tips.